Here is part of a distance time graph for a car's journey. Between which two times does the car travel at its greatest speed? Give a reason for your answer. So on a distance time graph, the gradient is equal to the speed of the object. So on this graph, the gradient is equal to the speed of the car. So the steeper the graph, the greater the speed. So on this graph, we're looking for the steepest gradient, which is this section here between 0 and 20. So between which two times does the car travel at its greatest speed? So the car travels at its greatest speed between 0 and 20 seconds because the gradient is steepest here. Now this question's worth 2 marks. We'll get our first mark for stating the correct times and our second mark for explaining why. Work out the greatest speed. So as before, the gradient of this graph is equal to the speed of the car. So in order to work out the greatest speed, we're going to want to work out the gradient between 0 and 20 seconds. So what we can see from this graph is the distance that the car travels in 20 seconds is 360 metres. So our gradient is equal to the change in y divided by the change in x. So the change in y from 0 to 360 is 360, and our change in x from 0 to 20 will be 20. So our gradient will be equal to 360 divided by 20. And if we put this into our calculator, this will give us an answer of 18. And this question's worth 1 mark, and that's for the correct answer.